Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Windows 10 fingerprint lock not working error. Type Device Manager in Windows search bar. Click Device Manager. Click and expand Biometric Devices. Right-click Biometric Device, click Update Driver. Right-click your biometric device, click Uninstall Device. Click Uninstall. Restart system. Second method is type Services in Windows search bar. Click Services. Open Credential Manager. Stop and start the service. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.